What do you want here?
Please, I came to apologize for what happened last time. I beg you, I'm sorry.
Oh, I see. You've come for your taxi, eh? Take it.
I didn't come here.
Take the key. I'm no more interested in your taxi.
Zinny,
listen to me. You think you can treat me anyhow just because of this car? Have it.
Please, I beg you.
Don't touch me.
Please.
Don't you dare touch me, okay?
Please, I beg you.
Don't touch me, Buckley.
I'm very, very sorry.
No, you take this from me.
Please.
It's over. I don't want to see you again in my life,
I beg you.
Take your hand off me. Zinny. I don't ever want to see you again, okay? Don't ever come here.
Nick, is something wrong? Or you are not feeling fine?
I'm okay, Papa. It's all about Aso's behaviors of late.
What has he done?
She's been moving with another man.
You mean our daughter Aso? No, I can't believe it.
Are you sure?
It is true. It has been going on for some time now. I didn't want to believe it initially. But, Papa, it's all... I mean, it's now the talk of the town.
Nick, we are very sorry about her strange behavior. You shall come over there and talk to her. Don't you worry. Let me come there. What is the matter?
Papa, I don't want to see this man in my life again. I'm coming here to stay with you. What has happened? Tell us.
Yes, tell us.
It's really helped me.
Bringing you from the village? That is no achievement.
By my standard, it's a very big achievement.
I'm glad you're saying by your standards. But let me tell you, Zinny, I am going to send you to greater heights. I am going to put you on a level you will never forget. Okay? Come on, let's go for lunch.
Aso! Where the hell do you think you are going? Huh? Come on, get back.
Look, go and sit down. What do you mean? Bringing her from the village doesn't mean that she's your slave.
Look, do you know how much I've spent on her to make her who she is today?
Oh, you're making noise. How much? How much have you spent on her?
Look, she was nobody before I brought her and her parents to the city.
Nick! You brought me from the village, and I really appreciate it. But let me ask you, was I naked when you met me? Or were my parents eating stones in the village? We were better by village standards.
You have forgotten who you were before I made you who you are today. Huh? And what can I say about your parents? I mean, your greedy parents. Huh?
Nick.
Eh? But you went too far. Eh? You went too far.
Yes. You call us greedy.
We appreciate whatever you've been doing for us, but you went too far.
Eh? What have we demanded from you? Have we demanded ship or plane from you? Nick, you all know. After all, what customary right have you performed to claim authority over this girl? She is matured to take her own decision.
Yes, Papa.
Huh?
Enough is enough.
Yes.
I've come here to stay with you.
Oh, come on, Papa. Go, Papa. I love it. Go, please, go.
Don't touch me.
Go.
Papa, go.
Why?
Go. Go away.
Can't you go? That's all. Go.
Sawa.
What's wrong with you?
What am I blame me? I couldn't for what I.
Stop calling.
Won't you respond to my greeting?
And who are you calling us all? Huh? I'm called Zinny.
Zinny, I'm very sorry for my behavior. You see, anytime I see you with another man, my heart aches.
Let me tell you this. The fact that you brought me to the city doesn't give you the license to treat me anyhow.
I'm sorry. You see, I love you, Zinny. I'm sorry.
Hey, don't you dare do it! Now, if you don't do it, foolish man. Sagana yewo.
What on earth did you do this for?
What? Get clear up!
She did this.
I don't want to see you. Get away! Just go away! Nonsense! Next time, let's stand here and talk nonsense to me. Foolish man. Go.
So is it true that as I'm out of your house? I told you. Not all that glitters is gold. Have you seen what she has done to you?
I strongly believe someone is influencing her.
I don't think so. Aso is mature enough to decide for herself. She is simply fed up with you.
You were right. I should have listened to you.
Why you know who Kokoo Obaa Kokoo? Obaa Kokoo say we didn't cheer. Obeku. You fucking. Say no.
Zinny, what is wrong with you? Huh?
Nick is dead.
What? You mean Nick the mechanic? What happened to him? It's not your fault.
Nick should have known that a girl like you does not belong to his class. I mean, a sophisticated girl like you should not be left to get rotting in the hands of people like Nick. I think it was rather stupid on his part to have committed suicide. But Zinny, put this behind you quickly. Huh? Let's go out. Let me make you happy. Okay? Let's go. It's not your fault. Don't weep over these things. Put this thing behind you quickly.
I was expecting to see you last weekend, not even a phone call.
Yeah, I know, but just that I've been busy with work.
Work.
Anyway, you've missed my friend. She's Zinny. She also owns a salon.
I see. Zinny. She's very beautiful.
Thank you.
Do you think I can have her?
Yeah, you can try.
Zinny, are you married?
Oh no, but I have a very serious boyfriend.
Since he's not married to you, that means the race is still open and I can enter the race. What do you think? Excuse me, I'll be right back.
Laila. Yes. But I thought you said he wanted you.
That's what I thought, but wherever you are around, I'm nobody.
Oh, come on. Don't say that. I will never give in to him. Never. So you're welcome.
I see. Nice compound.
Oh, thank you.
And you can do some extensions later.
Oh, yeah. And that's my car.
Oh, this one?
Oh, yes.
I think I have to buy a new one. What do you think?
Oh, wow. That would be wonderful.
It's an old car.
Oh, I see. I'll be very glad.
I see.
So,
Nice place.
oh, thank you. Let's get inside.
All right. I'll get you a better car, okay?
Wow.
As long as I'm here, you have no problem.
Zinny. Zinny.
How you doing, guy?
Who is this guy?
Please,
Huh?
Who is this guy? Look at it. Oh, it's true. It's true that you've been flirting around. Eh? Hey! Huh? It's true. What the hell do you think you're doing, man? Now you get out! You come and meet me in the house. Stupid kid. Who's he? Is he crazy or something?
What do you want here?
Please, I came to apologize for what happened last time. I beg you, I'm sorry.
Oh, I see. You've come for your taxi, eh? Take it.
I didn't come here.
Take the key. I'm no more interested in your taxi.
Zinny, please.
Listen to me. You think you can treat me anyhow just because of this car? Have it.
Please, I beg you.
Don't touch me.
Please.
Don't you dare touch me, okay?
Please, I beg you.
Don't touch me, Buckley.
I'm very, very sorry.
No, you take this from me.
Please.
It's over. I don't want to see you again in my life, ever.
I beg you.
Take your hand off me.
Zinny.
I don't ever want to see you again, okay? Don't ever come here.
He did not open the door.
Are you sure he's in there?
I am very sure he's in there. I was watching telly when he came in with a very heavy face. I greeted him and did not even answer. He went straight to his room and has been there since. Petty. It's about an hour ago.
An hour ago? Hey, Barkley. Was Zinny here today?
Zinny?
Yes.
No, I didn't see her.
I'm sure they had a misunderstanding. Because she's the only one that can get Barkley in this room. It is never good to be obsessed with a woman. It is even more dangerous letting her alone. Anyway, let's allow him to pour his emotions out on himself today. Tomorrow, I'm sure he'll be
I felt pity for the man. But there was nothing I could do. I was already so deeply in love with the girl. So deeply in love that I could not think of giving her up for anything in the world. I could kill for her. I could die for her.
Zinny, Barkley loves you. He's obsessed with you.
Don't tell me he loves me. He had the guts to slap me. It's over, okay? It's over.
Come on, Zinny. Give him a second chance. Come over and see him.
McDonald, didn't you get it? It's over. Tell him that he is no more my class. And then tell him that I, Zinny, says he should fix himself somewhere with his Sakura. Good night.